All right, guys, today I'm going to come in here and do a quick unboxing review on my new Gorvellin Portable Humidor Box. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. Very nicely packaged. Check that out. Very nice. It's got a cigar cutter back here. I love that it's got that slot for it. Let's take it out. Put it here. Just like that. Just look at the stitching. Very, very clean. Go ahead and open it up. Look at it. Holds 6 cigars in here. Let's go ahead and put a couple in there. So I'm going to put one in here. One in here. Just like that. Slide it back in. Locks right into place. You're good to go. It's not huge, like this can fit like in your suitcase. It can fit like in a backpack. So let me show you. So I can literally just open up my side pocket here, slide this in. Seal it up and you're good to go. But very, very nice quality overall. So it's definitely cool if you guys are gonna do any kind of traveling or you just wanna make sure you carry 6 cigars on you. You could put this, in your car or whatever. So make a great gift as well. Like I said, just the overall quality of everything slides out really nice. The stainless steel cutter that comes with it. Very nice. So if you guys are looking for a new portable cigar humidor, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.